Welcome, Sammy fam. Today we are making spam fried rice. We need spam. I'm going to use this bacon spam, and I think we only need half a can for a single serving. Chopped garlic and green onions. 2 eggs. Old as hell rice. I got some from Chinese takeout. And some black rice I used in burritos last week. First we add our spam, our garlic, onion, and a touch of oil to the pan. Cook over high heat until spam takes on some color. This is a good time to add in some heat if you want. I'll put in some canned green chili. Use the liquid from the chili to help deglaze the pan and get up that good flavor. Next, add your rice. We got that ebony and ivory going on. I'm gonna go ahead and add even more heat with some Valentina hot sauce and then keep cooking it till that white rice turns brown. Now let's add in 2 eggs, and you can probably just let the residual heat of the dish go ahead and cook those. You don't want to overcook them. Now let's get to plating. I'm gonna drop on some raw green onion for a little fresh bite. A touch of chili oil. Oh fuck. Aight. Rice vinegar. And soy sauce. Let's see if it's edible. Daddy likey.